Hey guys, we are back with another video where we share tips on WordPress email marketing. This time, we focus on avoiding email marketing mistakes. The first mistake is to use long subject lines for your email campaigns. Does your email subject line contain more than 41 to 50 words? Then this might be the reason for the low open rate of your emails. So, keep it short so that your users can quickly get an idea of what your email is all about. Sending email campaigns that are not stunning to look at will not encourage your customers to follow your email campaign. If you are using WordPress to manage your business's email marketing, then you can use the Wemail plugin to use ready-made templates that are stunning and help save time. The third mistake is to send your email campaigns at the wrong time. Your users will not be checking their emails all the time. There are certain times of the day when people check their emails. We have a full video that analyzes the best time to send your email campaigns. So be sure to check the link above or the description box for the link. And finally, the last mistake is not to personalize your email marketing campaigns. Not mentioning the recipient's name in your email campaign will not make a connection to your users. So mention the recipient's name for better conversion for your WordPress email marketing. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. And that's it. Feel free to contact for more information or check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.